Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn about the function right and left. What does this functions do? This function displays a specified number of characters from the right or left hand side of a piece of text. For right, it will pick from the right side the number of characters we specify, and for the left, the number of characters we specify left. Let's see with an example. Here we have the projects taken by the company, okay, the description, and in the description we have at the end the project number. We need to pick only the project number. So to pick the project number, we will use the function right because it is in the right side of the text. So how we would write? So equals to right open bracket and the text from where we want to pick. So we want to pick the project number from this text. So I select this and comma argument is number of characters. So let's find out how many characters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So standard six numbers at the end is our project number. So I'll just put 6. So it will pick 6 characters from the left, sorry, right. And I close the bracket. Here I get it. So we'll see again equals to right open bracket the text from where we need to pick and number of characters. Yeah, copy and copy. So this is from right. Left is similar to right. It also picks particular number of text, but from the left side. Right picks from the right side of the text, and left picks from the left side. Here we have project number in the beginning, and followed by the explanation, the description. So we'll pick from here. So we know six number. First six number are our project numbers. So I say left, from left you pick. So the type left, open bracket, and the text from where we need to pick, and number of text, number of characters. So it is 6 characters. So I just type 6 and close. It picks up the 6 characters from the left and brings up the value. So we can copy and print out. So this is how we do right and left function. That's all in this video. I'll see you next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jayaraman.